Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning about VS Code. VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, otherwise called VS Code, is a free, lightweight, and powerful code editor created by Microsoft developers. It is used to write, edit, and manage our code that we use to build websites, application and other software. It is supported by various languages like JS, Python, HTML, CSS, Java, um, C++, PHP, and the rest. Is very powerful. And how do we install it? Depending on your system, your operating system, if you are using a Mac, you can just click here and you will follow the instruction and you install it. If you are using a window or if you are using a Linux computer, you can install it and follow all the prompts and you will have it installed on your system. So now let me just show you how the VS Code is. I've downloaded mine. So this VS Code, see how beautiful it is. It is a text editor. We use it to write our code, our HTML, our CSS, our JavaScript, even React. You write your React using this. You can use it, write it using this VS Code, PHP, C++. Very powerful. And the most interesting thing about it, it also has the terminal, right? Look at the terminal over here. I can just drag it upwards and clear my screen. If you are, I can clear my screen. After clearing, I can just do any of the commands: cd, make directory, remove directory, and create file, create directory, delete file. All those methods or keys that are peculiar with the terminal, I can also use it here because this is it has its own terminal. And these are the JavaScript file that I have created. I can as well create HTML file. I can as well create CSS file. The most important thing is the extension. For me to create CSS file, the command is touch. To create any file, you use touch, then the name of the file. If I'm creating CSS, I may just say CSS dot this. Remember, the extension is very important, and I can create multiple file. I can even as well create HTML file, HTML file. I can even create CSS file, and once I just press it with just a command, I've created everything and everything will appear here. You can see how powerful it is. The Visual Studio Code that even allow me to navigate across using the terminal. So this is where I write my scripts. This is where the script is written. Very beautiful, very interesting. And I've downloaded a lot of extension. Like I can track the number of time, the number of minutes I've been on my JavaScript. We have here for extension. I can collapse this if I wish to collapse. So this extension at the left hand corner, there are different icons that you can see here. This is my account. If I click on it, it will tell me Kikachuku. It's even linked to my GitHub. You can see how powerful this tool is, and everything is just, you can search, source control, run and debug, extension, various extensions. You can install what you need to, depending on what you are building. We have there are over uh, there are plenty extensions that you can install depending on what you need. Their list is they are very much. I can't really give an estimated amount of the extension that we have, but we have, depending on what you want, is available in it, and see how beautiful it is. It's not the only text editor. We have Vim, we have others, but I believe, to me, VS Code is the best. So this will be all for this video concerning VS Code. Remember, it's easy to use, it's easy to navigate using the VS Code. And I remember I said it's built by Microsoft developers. We use it to write, edit, and manage code for building our websites or our software. It is supported by various languages. We listed some of the languages. Think of any language, VS Code supports it, and is always up to date. I think this is one of the latest version that I have, and you could see many information about it. We can check the overview. Check the overview. It runs on both Windows, on Mac, on Linux operating system. There's It has various, you can see API, application programming interface, the blog, the updates that are available, documentations. These are documentations on them. It has a vast lot of resources. We said it supports um, C++ and C, Python, even Copilot. Is very very good and is very very important, and as a developer we'll be making use of it. To install it, you click on this button and you follow all the prompts that is giving you. So that will be all for this concerning this video on VS Code. So see you in my next video.